if you're in Montreal last week, around the 13th, you could have lined up outside a store called Off the Hook for some Nike shoes that look like bagels.
What?
They call them Nike Bagel Dunks.
Did that say line up in a snowstorm?
It was crazy.
Oh my God.
You should see is this the Twitter? No, where's the Twitter? I don't have the Twitter up. Oh, it's on here. Yeah, here's the people outside, lined up outside the store.
No.
And of course, and Off the Hook said, if they have any left over, they'll put them on the website. If you have any left over, you're not going to have any left over.
Right.
Anyway, but that's pretty funny. So anyway, so this is cool. And the shoes are Nikes, whatever. Some Nike shoes. They have them on their website, but of course they're sold out.
Yeah. They really, it's kind of weird that, they're advertising it as bagel shoes, but they don't look bad.
Yeah. I don't know why the Montreal bagel is a big deal, but it is. So anyway,
I don't either.
It looks good. So anyway, Philly cream cheese decided 2 days later.
Oh no.
To drop some cream cheese socks. Now I don't know that they actually
genius.
You can't buy these though. I think it's just a Photoshop thing.
Fail.
I looked around and I don't see them anywhere. But like here, that's a picture of the shoe from the website. Right. So I don't think that's a real. I think it's all a Photoshop thing.
Oh, sad.
I don't think it's a real thing. But anyway, you know what else is funny? This side note. Whenever you're in Canada, you do something, you got to do it in English and you got to do it in French.
Huh.
If you're on the east side of Canada, yeah. Like the Montreal, Quebec side.
Yeah.
So anyway, but that's it. Like here's like your Twitter post is cut in half because you got to do it in English and that doesn't, anyway, that would be a nightmare. But anyway, and then some other people have decided to Photoshop their own Nike shoes, which are kind of funny. Spaghetti shoes, whatever. I don't know. People are just having fun with it, playing off each other. So
I really want some cream cheese socks to go with
that would be cool.
Shoes. It's awesome.
It would be cool.
I don't know who thought of that idea, but you're a genius, and I hope you get a raise.
The marketing guy at Philly
Yes.
Cream Cheese, yeah.
Yes.
Anyway, that's kind of cool.